Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will show you one of the easiest technique that you can create kind of a flowery looking pattern, and it will be making a puddle blowing right in the middle and spread it out. And all my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, and for the colors I have metallic sapphire blue, I have Amsterdam red violet, and I have extreme sheen 24K gold, and I have black, and I have some pearl white and just white for my base, and my paints are on the thick side. So yeah, I will basically just put a puddle of white paint here in the middle. This is not a bloom because they are not bloom recipes. If you want to see how I mix my paints, it's all down in the description box. And I will start with a little bit of pearl white because I'm hoping for some reaction. And I will not add a ton of paint because I want kind of a soft look, or how can I say? We will see. And 24K gold, it will definitely react. And my black is a little thinner than other paints, and I didn't do it in the middle. So I will basically just blow hard. And now I will wait that this will gather into the middle again, blow towards the big bubbles. Maybe I blew a little too much, with a little too much force, but we will see. I'm working on MDF board. I wish that I would work on the canvas because it would be easy just to press in the middle and the paint will, gather in the middle. Let's spin this out. Don't like this black here. think I'm done. I think that I blew a little too hard. But it's still beautiful, isn't it? So here she is dry, and I love it. Love that middle a lot. I love how soft this flower is, how delicate. And what I love here is that it gives this kind of natural looking pattern of a flower, and because I blew in the middle, the white that was underneath flows over some paints and create this, kind of shades of something. I don't know how to explain, but yeah, I like it. I'm kind of happy that there is not a ton of sales, but still some. Maybe I wish for a little more, but yeah, I'm happy with this one. So tell me, what do you think about it? Did you try it? Will you? And again, thanks for being here, and have a nice weekend, and see you again on the next one. Bye.